Hello friends, this is Ajmal, and the story we today gonna witness is 11 camels and 3 sons. The story comes under a moral story for kids, and if you are a kid, then it's gonna make you enjoy your time. So come, let's go. Long ago, there lived an old man with 3 sons in a deserted village located in vicinity of a desert. He had 17 camels, and they were the main source of his income. So there was a deserted village which was located in vicinity. So that old man has 17 camels. The main source of income was just that 17 camels. What he will do is he used to rent out camels as the means of shipping in the desert. So there will be shipping uh, activity will be going on, and that old man will be using those camels for renting purpose as a rent source. One day he passed away. He had left a will leaving his assets for his 3 sons. So what happens, unfortunately, one day that old man has died and he has been passed away. The only hope, the only will what he left to his 3 sons was those assets. After the funeral and the other obligations were over, the 3 sons read the will. So it was like an bond which has been left by that old man. While their father had divided all the property he had into 3 equal parts, he had divided the 17 camels in a different way. They were not shared equally among the 3, as 17 in an odd number and a prime number which cannot be divided. The old man had started the eldest son will own half of the 17 camels. So there was a big twist coming up in the story. And what was it mean? So the old man didn't divide the share to his 3 sons. What he had done is he had uh, he had stated that the eldest son will own half of the 17 camels, the middle one will get one third of the 17 camels, and the youngest one will get his share of camels as 1/9. What he has done, I just repeated. The eldest son will own half of the 17 camels. The middle one will get one third. So the first son will get one half in the 17. The second son will get one third of the 17, and the youngest will get 1/9. So this share is a different one. So each 3 sons has the right in 17 camels. So they didn't divided the 3. So you take 5, I take 5, I take 5. No, uh, each camel, each 3 sons have rights. So in that manner, that old man has wrote the will to be understandable a bond. All of them were stunned to read the will and questioned each other how to divide the 17 camels as mentioned in the will. It is not possible to divide 17 camels and give half of the 17 camels to the eldest one. It is not possible also to divide the camels for the other 2 sons. So they now come to know that it's not possible to divide those camels as it was in the will, because it was one third, 1/9. It's not possible. It's really not possible. So those 3 sons were collapsed. What to do? What's this? How we can carry out the will as it is written by our father? So they have been collapsed and really don't know what to do. They spent several days thinking of this uh, will. They spent several days thinking of ways to divide the camels as mentioned in the will, but none could find the answer. So they have been thinking, they have been suggesting, they have been approving, appealing many big people how this can be done, how we can divide the camels as it was in the will, but they couldn't find the answer for many days. They have been just looking at the will and looking at each other what we're going to do. So now finally they were been appealing a wise man in the village. They take the issue to a wise man in the village. The wise man heard the problem and instantly found a solution. He asked them to bring all the 17 camels to him. The sons brought the camels to the wise man's place. So the wise man told, you bring the 17 camels and we shall see what to do. The wise man added a camel owned by him and made the total number of camels 18. So what that wise man did is he added one more camel, 18 camels total in number. This can be divided. This can be divided as easy calculation. So now he asked the first son to read the will. So now what's going on? What's going on in the situation is in the village was, deserted village was, so those three sons had a father. He was passed away. He has left a will. In that will, how the assets should be divided. His overall asset was that 17 camels. 17 camels cannot be divided as it was in the will. So what they have did, they have gone to a wise man. Several days passed. They can't find a solution as it was in the will. So they go to a wise man in the village. What that wise man did is he added one more camel so that the calculation become easy. Now let us see the calculation, what they have done, what they have been doing now. Now he asked the first son to read the will. As per the will, the eldest son got half of the camels, which now counted to 18 by 2 is equal to 9 camels. Now the calculation become easy. Now if you see 1 by 2 is 18 by 2 is equal to 9 camels. The eldest one got 9 camels, has his share. So finally one share has been over. As in the will, 1 by 2 is 9 camels. The remaining camels were 9. The wise man asked the second son to read the will. He assigned 1 by 3 of the total camels. So it came to 18 by 3, 6 camels. So as in the will, the second point was the second son should take 1 by 3 of the total camels. That is 18 by 3 is equal to 6 camels. So total number of camels shared by the elder son is minus 9 plus 6. That is 15 camels. So first son take 9 camels as it was in the will. Second son took 6 camels. Now total number of camels shared by the elder sons, that 2 sons is minus 9 plus 6 is equal to 15 camels. The third son read out his share of camels, 1 by 9th of the total number of camels. That is 18 by 9 is equal to 2 camels. The youngest one got 2 camels as his share. The youngest one got 2 camels at his share. Totally there were 9 plus 6 plus 2 camels shared by the brothers, which counted to 17 camels. Now the calculation has been tallied. The sum has been tallied, that is 9 plus 6 plus 2. So those brothers shared this as the count. Total number of camels is 17. The elder son got 9, middle one got 6, and the final young one got 2. Total 17. Now the one camel added by the wise man was taken back. The wise man solved this problem smartly with his intelligence. Now it's simple, big intelligence and very smart idea. The wise man solved this problem. So what he done is he just added one camel without any hesitation. As usual, the problem solved, he take his camel back. That's it. So the moral is intelligence is nothing but finding a common ground to solve an issue. In short, every problem has a solution. So what is intelligence? If you ask what is intelligence is, it is just nothing. Just to find a common ground to solve an issue. An issue is going on, a problem is going on. You need to find a solution to cut out the problem, to sort out the problem. There is every solution for every problem. There is each solution for every problem. That's well known. And thank you friends. I hope this story is very much useful to you. Thank you so much friends for watching this. Please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you friends. This is Admin signing off. Cheers. Goodbye.